Here we are today outside Sloane Square underground station, which is on the District line. Going to have a little walk around Sloane Square, see what's here. We've got some Christmas market stalls and places to eat outside here. It's a very cold day, Saturday. It's 3 o'clock on the 27th of November 2021. So here we go. I'm glad that you can join us for this walk around Sloane Square. So Sloane Square is in SW1, which is on the western side of London, in the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea. There's lots of very upmarket cafes around here, hotels, and every year they have some lovely lights here along Sloane Street and also the King's Road. Sloane Street is just over here and King's Road is just down here. So we're going to have a little explore now together. Got some of these scooters here that you can hire. Few different providers. Lime, what's this one here? Dot, and another one, I'm not sure what that green one is. Tia. So in this area there are lots of very high-end designer shops. We've got Tiffany over there, Rag and Bone of New York, Cartier, all the way down Sloane Street, which is here. It's just shop upon shop of designer shops. If you keep walking far enough down there, you come to Harvey Nichols on the right, and then if you turn left, you come to Harrods in Knightsbridge. It gets dark very quickly at this time of year now, so the Christmas lights are coming on. So we're now on the King's Road, Chelsea. On my right is a famous shop called Peter Jones. It's absolutely packed out with Christmas shoppers at the moment. And in England you don't have to wear a mask for COVID. About 50% of the people inside the shop probably wear one and the rest don't. As you can see, the King's Road gets incredibly busy with shoppers every day of the year really, particularly at the weekends and in the run up to Christmas.
Because he was like, oh, let me come to you. I've got more space. I've got a range now, isn't it? So I was like,
So over here we're coming to a market where there's lots of things to eat and drink normally. Artisanal market. There's also an art gallery called the Saatchi Art Gallery, which is just round the corner. So let's have a look round to see what's here. There's lots of street food. You can smell some meat being cooked over here. So it's very busy here with lots of people in the run up to Christmas, enjoying themselves. This is the Duke of York's Square. This is where the Duke of York's army battalion used to be based and used to train on this square here. The Duke of York's headquarters of the British Army. It's now an art gallery, the Saatchi Art Gallery, which has a lot of modern art installations in there. And over here is a famous shop called Partridges, which is a very upmarket grocery shop. Apparently they have the largest selection of American products, one of the largest in London. If you're an American and you want to have a taste of home, it's a good place to go, Partridges.
one, yeah. Yeah, pues tú eres aquí.
No, 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 no.
Right. Well, when are you going to, do you want anything to eat?
So Partridges is open between 8 AM and 10 PM, 7 days a week. So what do we have here? A Dutch something.
Oh, this is it then?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
doesn't
nice.
it look fab?
These are Dutch pancakes. You get 10 for $4.50.
Oh, I saw them at the record, thank you. Vegan Dutch pancake. I literally can't wait.
Lots of very fashionable young people in the area.
Let it be a jacket.
So today is very windy and very cold. Well, there's lots of food here to keep people warm.
I also don't know if I could date
Almost everything in this area is somewhere to eat or drink. This area used to have places to live for soldiers, but it was redeveloped as a eating area and shopping area. This building is part of the old Duke of York's headquarters, army barracks, and it's now a Zara clothes shop. It's actually a very good branch of Zara. It's sometimes not quite as busy as some of the ones in Oxford Street and that part of town. It's a little bit less busy and crammed here, but it's a really good store. They've also got a Zara Home as well, selling home furnishings and that type of thing. Quite a lot of celebrities tend to live in this part of town because Chelsea is very affluent and a nice place to live. Very colourful shop.
No, si farà il foto.
So now we're back onto Sloane Square. We've done a little circle.
Oh no.
The train station is just back down there where we started from. I hope you've all enjoyed this little trip from Sloane Square station on the District line, and look forward for you to all join us again soon on Here We Go channel. See you very soon.